The first sentence is how to say he's such a talkative person. It's too difficult to respond to him. How to say this in an advanced way? It's difficult to respond to a loquacious person. He's so garrulous. He keeps on babbling. He keeps on blathering. He is so long-winded. He is big-mouthed. He is multiloquent. All these phrases and words that mean the person is talkative are conveyed in a negative way, whereas there is a phrase, gift of the gab. If we address the person as he has got the gift of the gab, then it means in a positive sense. The second sentence is he has a deep thinking and understanding. How to say this in an advanced way? He is perspicacious. He is astute. He is farsighted. He is sharp-witted. He is insightful. He is intuitive. He is sagacious. The next sentence is how to say he spends too much of money as fast as he receives it in an advanced way. He is such a spendthrift. He is such a prodigal. He is so extravagant. He is so profligate. He has an excessive way of spending. He is so reckless when it comes to money. He has got a reckless way of spending. He is so self-indulgent. Thank you.